Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on your Beats Flex and making sure they have some charge. Low battery can block pairing. On your iPhone, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth so you can watch devices appear. Keep the Beats within 1 to 2 feet and avoid other Bluetooth activity nearby because interference will slow discovery. Once the Beats show a blinking indicator, you're ready for the next step. Make sure the iPhone screen stays active during the whole process to accept the prompt. You hold the power button on the Beats Flex long enough to trigger pairing mode. Watch the LED flash. On your iPhone, scan the Bluetooth list and tap the listing labeled Beats Flex as soon as it appears. Delays can time out. If a confirmation or pairing code appears, accept it. This establishes a secure connection. Once connected, the iPhone will show Connected under the device name. If audio routing is important, open Control Center now to select Beats as the output device. You finish by playing a short audio clip to verify sound and check microphone functionality. Adjust volume on the iPhone, not the headphones, for consistent levels. If audio drops or the iPhone won't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart the Beats and the iPhone. This resolves most glitches. If nothing works, reset the Beats Flex by holding the power button for around 10 seconds and repeat pairing. One key tip: remove any previous Beats entries from Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.